Heidi-ho everybody, and welcome to today's Christmassy adventure. For today, I went to Santa's Bake Shop at KRISPY KREME. There are multiple donuts to pick from as well as drinks, all with a Christmas theme. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. And please like, subscribe, and comment on this video to be entered in my $50 giveaway, where I'll pick a subscriber to win $50 when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Now let's get started on today's adventure. I flew like a sash to my nearest KRISPY KREME, where I looked at their Santa's Bake Shop collection donuts. They had 5 regular-sized donuts and a bunch of Christmas-styled minis, both in the store and on the menu. I decided to get the regular-sized donuts and leave the minis where they belong. For this year's selection, we had a Santa Belly donut, a red velvet cake donut, a gingerbread cookie crumb donut, a holiday sugar cookie donut, and a chocolate iced with sprinkles donut. I turned, and what to my wondering eyes doth appear but a conveyor belt of donuts with glaze everywhere. Out from the glaze they flew with a clatter, and I tore open the shutters to see what was the matter. I then stole a KRISPY KREME donut hat, ran out the door, grabbed my donuts, and went home. Now let's get a closer look at these treats. First I tried the holiday sugar cookie donut.
You like sugar, huh?
Which is an original glazed donut iced with sugar cookie flavored icing and topped with festive sugar and sprinkle blend jimmies. This is good. It does taste like a sugar cookie. The donut itself is very soft with a really sweet glaze. The sugar cookie icing tastes really good with the sprinkles. I absolutely love it. This is very sweet, but I love the taste of it. And I think I'm going to give this 9 out of 10 snowflakes. Next I tried the chocolate iced with holiday sprinkles. This is an original glazed donut, topped in chocolate icing and topped with holiday sprinkle blend jimmies. I don't know about this one. The donut's made right. It's soft with a nice glaze. The chocolate tastes artificial or medicinal tasting. It has a strange taste to me. I don't like the chocolate flavor on this one. So I think I'm going to give this 5.5 snowflakes.
Oh, no.
Out of 10. Next I tried the red velvet cake donut, which consisted of a glazed red velvet cake donut topped with cream cheese icing and red velvet cake crumbles. This is pretty good. The donut itself was a soft cake that was lightly crisp on the outside with glaze. There was a slight taste of chocolate to it, which is pretty good, but it wasn't overly chocolatey. And the cream cheese was good, but not overly sweet. This was a pretty good donut, so I think I'm going to give this 8 snowflakes out of 10. Next I tried the gingerbread cookie crumb donut, which is a donut filled with gingerbread cream cheese flavored filling dipped in white icing, topped with gingerbread cookie crumbs and holiday sprinkle blend jimmies, and drizzled with gingerbread flavored icing. This tastes a little funny to me. The cream tastes like butterscotch with an accent of gingerbread, and it has a strange medicinal or artificial flavoring taste to it. So I don't really like that. The toppings are good, but I don't think I like the cream. The donut is soft and crispy on the outside, but the artificial and medicinal taste to me is not good. So I'm going to give this 5.5 snowflakes out of 10. My last Santa Bake Shop donut was the Santa Belly Donut.
You're fatter this year.
Well, thank you very much.
This is a fan favorite filled with cream dipped in red icing and decorated like the big guy with icing and a belt buckle sugar piece.
You like sugar, huh?
This is pretty good. The cream is really nice inside. It's not overly sweet. Plus there's another glaze on the outside which makes it a little sweeter. This is a really fun and festive donut. The kids will like it. And I think I'm going to give this 8 snowflakes out of 10. Lastly, I tried the original cream-filled donut, which is original glazed donut filled with cream inside and glazed on the outside with a stripe of cream. This is a delicious regular donut with some nice white cream inside and a little white drizzle on the outside. It's delicious, it's sweet, it's soft, and lightly crispy on the outside. I'm also going to give this 9 out of 10 snowflakes. So that's my show for today. Please hit the like and subscribe button and comment on this video. If you do, you'll be entered in my $50 giveaway, where I give away $50 to one subscriber when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Thank you again, and have a Merry Snackmas.
You like sugar, huh?